So now you've sorted your box, let's take a look at some of the elements that we have. I'm going to pick out a few, just talk a few moments about them. One of the new features to EV3 is this ball and ball holder. Click it together. It acts as a caster, or the third wheel in our model. If I pick this up, you can see it here. Also, we've got some structural elements. So the structural elements, they help us build quickly. So if I show you how these work, these help put motors together. Very, very strong structure. But as I said, it makes it much quicker. What else do we have? Well, a new addition is the axle that has a flat end. And if I push it into place, because it has a flat end, it can't slip. And that's another new feature of the kit. We also have this element in here that once snapped together makes either caterpillar tracks for tanked or tracked vehicles or conveyor belts to move things along. We also have, to finish off here, are some decorative elements as well. So you can customize, personalize your designs. Now, with all these features that have been added and all this kit that's been added, the build time is reduced. And we reckon it will take you about 20 to 30 minutes the first time you build your robot educator model. And you're going to build the base unit for this. And as I say, will take about 20 minutes. So when you're ready, we'll move on to building.